Right over top of the gunboat. I got you. Yeah, show me deeply. Alright. He's coming in. Right there. He's coming in. I'm gonna let him mess with the decoys. Let's kill him. He going to the decoys. He's coming to you. That's how we do it. Yeah, we're gonna go to the decoys.
No, he's coming to me. You seen his head, didn't you?
Good job, Jimmy.
Hey, good job, boys. Hey, that's how you call a turkey in this night. Good job, boys.
There's a dead turkey. Dude, thank y'all so much, man. That was a picture perfect morning. Yeah, that was worth it right there. Coming in with the fog in the background, gobbling off the limb. My goodness. What an absolutely beautiful morning here in southern Florida. I was lucky enough to get invited down here by my good buddy, John Christopher, hunting with Osceola Outdoors, Mike Tussey, and it did not disappoint. First evening out, John got a great bird, and then yesterday was kind of a rough day. It was hot, wind was blowing, seen some birds, but just couldn't get on anything. And then this morning, Mr. Jimmy knew right where to go, and we had a whole crew out here, and this bird was gobbling on a limb, probably 300 yards or so across this field, hit the deck, and started falling a hen off the field. But luckily, the whole crew in the bushes over here got their hand fired up and got the bird close enough to see the strutter decoy sitting in the bushes, and he wasn't going to take that. So super grateful. It's a great bird. Finish off my Florida season. Now ready to get back home, do some bird hunting behind the house.
All right, Axel, tough day yesterday. Jimmy, thank you very much, brother. Love you. Thank you.
Thank y'all. Good stuff. I can't believe this rule applies to 7 o'clock in the morning.